Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never, today I'm coming at y'all with a regular intro because I hate YouTube copyrights and I cannot deal with that. So what I have is I have a 24-inch HD curly wig from Nadula. Yes, y'all, switched it up a little bit. You guys know I usually work with other companies, but I believe this is my first or second time working with Nadula, and I was actually very impressed with the hair. So y'all already know how I usually get started, get my bob cap going. Y'all know, if you've been watching me for a while, pretty much do the same thing in each video, but we're doing a different style today. So we're gonna be doing a half up, half down. I've been seeing this on Instagram a lot lately, and I've actually been feeling it. However, a lot of times when the wigs come with that, you know, inch on the side, it usually throws me off a little bit because I hate that look. Like, I like to put my ponytail up in a ponytail without it looking like I have a helmet on top of my head. So that was one of my main focuses with this video. As you guys can see, I am laying the lace per usual. You guys know, if you've been watching me, I have a little bit slightly of a off hairline than what they usually create on the frontal, so I did have to trim some hair off. Nothing too crazy, but what I wanted to tell y'all is, in this video, I don't know, you guys will see in like the next few clips how I guess when I was plucking, which I was in a rush, I'm always in a rush when I'm doing my hair, I guess I accidentally plucked too much in the front part of my lace. So I was like, dang, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to do a half up, half down no more. But I was like, no, I'm gonna finesse this. I'm gonna get innovative. I'm gonna do what I have to do. So I actually took some little pieces of hair and I made sure that I glued them into the lace. So if you guys would like to see how to clean up or hide a bald spot on your lace or your client's lace, I will be doing that in the next video. So you guys gonna be like, this is crazy. Like, it really did help. So I'm just gonna stop talking for a little bit and just go ahead and get through this part of the video. I used to put 3 layers of glue, but honestly 2 layers of glue does just fine for me, and I change my hair so very often, so I was like, nah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 layers of glue, because there's no point in wasting glue, because y'all know how hard Ericka glue is to get. You guys should follow me on TikTok at Cra'Deja C or at Cra'Deja, one or the other. I believe it's at Cra'Deja, but go and follow me on TikTok. I didn't post this TikTok because I don't curse, and I had mouthed a curse word. I was like, I don't know, but I don't know, I might post it anyways, but I don't know. I was just like, yeah. Nikki had got me then. So y'all can see how I was struggling just a little bit with putting the lace on per usual. It happens every time with every lace. So I'm just gonna have to work around it. But y'all see how I trim out the hair that's in the middle. And be careful when you're laying down a lace. Make sure when you lay the lace down, you're laying it in the exact place that you want to lay it. Because if not, when you pick it up, it'll just be like sticky glue. Your bald cap might lift and all this extra stuff that you just don't want. Trust me. I know my plucking look like it be off, but honestly, I always carve out my baby hairs when I pluck. So once I carve it out, you guys will kind of see. Let me see if this is the clip here. Nah, this ain't the clip. But you guys will see how it kind of, like, you know, pretty much turns back into a scalp and like a very nice pluck hairline once I pull the baby hairs back out. And once again, I was in a rush. I don't know. It was one time, I think a couple of videos ago, when I had actually took my time doing my hair and I loved it. Okay, girl. Okay. But yeah, I had absolutely loved it. You gotta see the bald cap in a minute. I mean, the bald spot in a minute. If you are not cutting with a razor, I don't know what you're cutting with. I'm going to need you to toss it, get rid of it, because it's going to give you the most natural look possible. pressure equals scalp. If you apply pressure, that's why we use melting bands, which you guys can order from our website, www.themeltx.com, to get your melting band and your bonnet. We use melting bands and pressure so that the lace seeps into the glue and it seeps into the skin, therefore creating a scalp appearance. You have to apply pressure when you are installing lace, period. You see? Apply pressure, period. So you're gonna keep doing that, and eventually I think I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap my band up and go ahead and start with the styling process. All right, so I don't know why, but when it comes down to like a ponytail or whatever, I don't know why, it's like you have to really pluck the hairline, make it look super duper natural. So that's what I was just doing. I was just plucking the hairline, making it look super natural. And then even after this, I went back in and plucked some more. So don't pluck too much, but definitely pluck more than what you would normally pluck on a regular install. You guys will see what I mean, because and then you don't want your actual baby hairs to be too close to your hairline when it comes down to this pull up ponytail look. And you see how it's like an egghead? Like I was like, no, I'm gonna make sure that I pull this forward when it's actually time for me to mold my ponytail exactly where it's supposed to be. So as you can see in the middle, it was like a little bit too bald, so I was like, dang it. So I had just went ahead and kind of like tried to play around with it, see if I could pull all the hairs back, see if it give a different look. But I don't know, I just like my install a certain way and it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. So therefore I had to just figure something out, and I'll be showing y'all exactly what I did in the next video. I literally just took a few hairs and laid it in that place and just stuck it in there. So it worked. It came out really nice, really cute. You couldn't even tell. See, even when I had put the hair back, it still looked bald. So I was like, dang, okay, you know, I gotta figure something out. So you guys will see I come back and my baby hairs are going to be completely done, because they were a lot harder to do, being that I had to, you know, pretty much finesse it and make it look like nothing ever happened. So now I am getting ready to finalize my ponytail, and this is it. I'm like, okay, that looks pretty good, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna pluck some more out just to, you know, get rid of that, I don't know, density. I didn't like how close it was to the hairline, so I kept looking at it in the mirror and just making sure everything looks good. You guys see how, you know, it's just looking better and better, like from one side to the other. It just looks completely better. And y'all can see that that's why it's completely covered up. Oh my gosh. Okay, feeling that. So I remodeled my ponytail, and I was telling y'all to go get my bonnet, themeltx.com. But yeah, I brushed out the curls, and I don't like the wet look, so I definitely waited until it dried to show y'all like the final finished look when I was in my car in my whip, you know, recording in traffic, which I don't recommend. However, I was being safe with it. So yeah, this is the HD 24-inch curly wig from Nadula. Y'all go check it out. The curls are very beautiful. It brushes through nice. It's not tangly or anything like that. It gets super big, super pretty, and that's what I love. If you love anything like me, you're going to really enjoy this wig, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.